Good afternoon, students of class 9. So, your subject is elective geography, and you have got the project already. So, just this is a demo that you are seeing here on the piece of paper. I have drawn that one just to show you how you have to do your project. First of all, you make one table like this way, and you write in the first column major communities. Then you just add their hair color, shape of the nose, shape of the face, height, and skin color. You can see here clearly that I have written, as this is a demo, because of that reason I have never fill up all the gaps there in each of the columns. So it has said just to find out what sort of communities are to be living in your locality. You see here I have written division of human population of Kokrajhar town, as it has been given the responsibility to you to find out the population belongs to the division of the Kokrajhar locality. It is given, so don't be confused about that. Kokrajhar town, that means the place where we are living. Based on that only you have to do this. You will not get the appropriate data, but approximate data you can just plot in your project, and you just prepare that project. So first of all, you see in the major communities I have written Bodo, here I have written Bengali, then Rajbongshi, Nepali, Assamese, Bihari, and in the last one that is given Marwari. So these are some of the major communities we find here residing here within our area, that means within our locality, that is in our Kokrajhar town. Now you see what I have written in the Bodo. The hair color maximum of them, it seems to be as a black. Shape of the nose, it's flat and wide, that means wider as per the, that means the area is concerned. So shape of the face round and flat. Height, it is given medium to short, and the skin color, it is given yellowish fair. Then you see again I have filled out one another, that means community, that is Bengali community. Hair color again it's coming black, that means we have to write whatever the normal color or the shape or the size or the height that we usually see. That means we have to find out the ratio in average. It is not individual concern, that means overall. We have to give the data as a overall. You see here in the Bengali community, hair color I have written black. Shape of the nose I have written normal to sharp, having narrower base. Then shape of the face again it is round structure. Height medium to tall, and the skin color some are fair whitish or some are brown as per the skin color. In the same way, you just whatever you see in the Rajbongshi community, Nepali, Assamese, Bihari, and Marwari community, you just plot in that of the, that means gaps here as per their hair color, shape of the nose, shape of the face, height, and skin color is concerned. So this is the, that means tabulation that you have to do as per the division of the human race or the human population of the Kokrajhar town is concerned. Now in the next part of the question, it is given that write about the religious composition of your locality. So you see, religious composition of your locality means, actually I have written here just for your convenience, religious composition of your locality means the types of the religion based people living within Kokrajhar. So what are the people that we are getting here in Kokrajhar? Whenever we talk about the Hindu, near about 50%, you can see this is the average I have written. It is not the appropriate data. So you can write or you can prepare your project based on the average, that means the average data, or somehow from wherever, that means you can use your internet that means system also, just to find out that what is the percentage of the Hindus, Islamic people, Christian, or the Jainism people are to be living here in the Kokrajhar town. It is already there. In average, just I have given Hindus supposed to be 50%, Islam community people are living to be as a 25%, Christian supposed to be 15%, and that of the Jainism, that means 10%. So as we don't have any of the Negroid community or the Negroid race people living here within our area or not even in our country, because of that reason, no need to add this. Just you take this data and you take the help of your book also there. The religious composition of, that means the entire world is nicely given there. You can find out the religious composition by, that means just you, that means type there to find out from the internet. Just to type there religious composition of Kokrajhar town. Entire data you will get there. So you prepare that, and this is the demonstration that how you have to prepare your project. I think that it is quite helpful to you. So up to this much for you. Thanks for attending.